Okay, so we are going to do adding and subtracting decimals. So if you had 5.362 plus 0.3 plus 31.26, the first thing that you're always going to do when you're adding or subtracting decimals is you're going to line up the decimals. So I have 5.362 plus 0.3 plus 31.26. So I'm lining all of those up. And then in the areas where there's nothing, because this looks confusing, I'm just going to add zeros. And then I'm just going to add like normal. For subtraction, if I had 5.362 minus 0.3 minus 2.04, I'm only going to take two of these at a time. So when I'm adding decimals, I can do as many as I want. But the two rules for subtracting decimals is that you only do two at a time and you put the biggest number on top. So our biggest number here is 5.362, and then I'm going to pick one of these to subtract. So I'm just going to pick the first one, minus 0.3. Same thing, I fill everything in with zeros so that I can keep track. And then I'm done with this and this, but I still have to do this. So now I'm going to subtract 2.04. And then you would get your answer. And all of the decimals are lined up. Okay, to do mean, mode, range, and median. So you're going to have a set of data points. So they're going to say, we polled a classroom to find out how many pets everybody had. And it was 1, 0, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So that's how many pets everybody had. So to find the mode, that is just the most frequently occurring number. So you'll see here that there's 3 2s. So the mode is 2. It's just the number that happens the most. The range is the biggest number, which is 3, minus the smallest number, which is 0. So the range is 3. Now to find the median, we're going to add all of these numbers up. So we're just going to add 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, 11, 13. So that gives us the total. That's step 1 to find the mean. The next step is to divide by the number of numbers in our data. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to do 13 divided by 7. And you should probably be able to use a calculator next year for this. So you're just going to do 13 divided by 7. And the answer is 1.857. And we're just going to round it to 1.9. So that is the mean. And then for the median, you're going to put them in order from least to greatest. And then you're going to take the first number and the last number and you're going to cross them off. Then you're going to take the second and the second to last number and you're going to cross it off. And you're going to keep doing that until you get to the middle number, and then you're going to circle it, and that is the median. So for homework, you're going to find the mean, the mode, the median, and the range for these 3 sets of numbers. So first set is 5, 3, 2, 8, 6, 7, 1. The second set is 3, 6, 2, 5, 8, 4. So you're going to do this for this whole thing. Then you're going to stop and you're going to do the same exact thing for this set of numbers. You're going to find the mean, the mode, the median, and the range. And then you're going to do it for this set of numbers: 15, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 12. So for this one, there's not going to be a mode because all of the numbers only happen one time, and there might be more than one mode. So if you had a set of data where there were 2 12s and 2 15s, there would be 2 modes. And then for this set of data, there's just no mode, so you write no mode.